Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation. A squared minus a cubed is equal to 36. Our job is to find all possible values of a. So let's start by moving this 36 to the left hand side. Then this equation will become a squared minus a cubed. This positive 36 will become negative 36 at left hand side is equal to 0. Next, a squared minus a cubed minus this 36 can be written as 27 plus 9 is equal to 0. Next, a squared minus a cubed, negative times 27 will become negative 27, and negative times plus 9 will become negative 9 is equal to 0. Now we write this a squared with this negative 9, we write this a cubed with negative 27. So this will become a squared minus 9 minus a cubed minus 27 is equal to 0. Next, a squared minus 9, we use parentheses to make this a group, minus we use parentheses. Since we used negative sign before parentheses, so this negative a cubed will become positive a cubed, and this negative 27 will become plus 27 is equal to 0. Next, a squared minus this 9 can be written as a 3 squared minus this a cubed plus this 27 can be written as a 3 cubed is equal to 0. Now we have difference of two squares. So by using this algebraic identity, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. This a squared minus 3 squared will become a plus 3 times a minus 3 minus we have sum of two cubes. So by using this algebraic identity, a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. This a cubed plus 3 cubed will become a plus 3 times a squared minus 3 times a plus 3 squared or 9 is equal to 0. Now as you can see, this expression a plus 3, this expression a plus 3 is common. So we factor out this a plus 3, and in bracket left this a minus 3 minus this a squared minus 3a plus 9. In bracket left a minus 3 negative times this a squared minus 3 times a plus 9 is equal to 0. Next, a plus 3 times a minus 3. Due to this negative sign, these signs will change. This positive a squared will become negative a squared. This negative 3a will become plus 3a. This plus 9 will become negative 9 is equal to 0. Next, a plus 3 times, we write this negative a squared first, negative a squared. This 3a plus 1a will become plus 4 times a. This negative 9 minus 3 will become negative 12 is equal to 0. From here, either this expression a plus 3 is equal to 0, or this expression negative a squared plus 4 times a minus 12 is equal to 0. From this equation we get the value of a is equal to negative 3. This is the first value, this is the first solution of this equation. To find other two solutions, we solve this quadratic equation. First we multiply both sides of this equation by negative 1. So this negative a squared will become positive a squared, this plus 4a will become negative 4a, and this negative 12 will become plus 12 is equal to 0. Now this quadratic equation is not factorable, so we solve it by quadratic formula. In this equation we have a is equal to 1 and b is equal to negative 4 and c is equal to 12. And according to quadratic formula, a is equal to negative times the value of b is negative 4 plus minus square root of, in place of b squared we write negative 4 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 12 divided by 2 times a is 1. Next, a is equal to negative times negative 4 will become 4 plus or minus square root of, this negative 4 squared will become 16 minus 4 times 1 times 12 48 divided by 2 times 1 2, and a is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 48 negative 32 divided by 2. Next, a is equal to 4 plus minus square root of, this negative 32 can be written as 16 times 2 times negative 1 divided by 2, and a is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 16 is 4 times square root of 2, and this square root of negative 1 will become I divided by 2. Next, a is equal to, from the numerator we can factor out 2 as common factor, and in bracket left 2 plus minus 2 times root 2 I divided by 2. Now this 2 will be cancelled out with this 2, and from here we get two values of a. a2 is equal to 2 plus 2 times root 2 I, and a3 is equal to 2 minus 2 times root 2 I, and first we found the value of a1 is equal to negative 3. Value of a1 is negative 3. So we have three solutions of this equation.